Hey guys, so I'd like to show you around the WeVideo screen. Um, right up here, this is your stock media. So there are thousands of videos that are included in our WeVideo Pro. So if you ever need to use this footage, you can. So this would be like Pixabay, where we would go to find videos. My media is where your videos are stored. So if you film something on your phone and you upload it here, this is where it would go. And this is where you would upload it. You would just go to My Media and Import to collect that. Right now, I'm screen recording and recording with a webcam. And to do that, I clicked Record right here. And that allowed me to record my screen and my webcam at the same time. It gave me the choice. So when you click that, you'll see that. Narrate would just be doing a voiceover. Here's my text tab. And so this is just a collection. It's kind of like the graphics panel in Adobe Premiere. They have these organized where these are the titles with motion. These are the static ones, so they're the still ones. This is seasonal. And then these are just call outs. The motion ones are fantastic. I'm going to show you one that has color because there's a bit more options. So if I choose this title, you can see it has motion with it. It has customizable text and colors. And so I'm going to pull that one down because whenever I just clicked on it, it's just a quick preview in this window. When I pull it to my timeline, then that's where I can customize it. So whenever let me show you, if I zoom in the lower right down here, lower right, zoom in, I get more options. So you'll click this tool to open the editor, and the box on the left is the first line, the main title, and then the box here is your subtitle. So I can put in, let's just say my title is my name, and then my subtitle is maybe video production. And you can see here I can change the font. I can change the size of the font. I can change the colors. So if I don't want the red dot, I could do purple. But it's so many things that you can do. Right here is the transform tab. I can rotate the text if I needed to. Scale just enlarges. Here's my X and my Y coordinates like Premiere. And once I have that the way I want it, I can just click save. And so then you can see that the font changed, my colors changed, and the text changed. On the motion titles, you can only cut them down so far because that transition also includes time. So on the static titles, you can have them as long or as short as you want. But the motion, they must be a certain length. If a title has a black background, then it would act as an overlay. So if I had an image here, the image, and let me show you, the image would show through. So let me get some stock media, and I'll put that here, and you can see that image, the light bulb, is showing through with the title. Okay. All right, so that's my text tab. Here's my audio tab. There's free music included. This would be like Bensound, and you can still use Bensound and Pixabay, by the way. Here are my sound effects and premium music. And we are pro members, so I believe we get to use premium. All right. Whenever you're using music, I'm sure you remembered with Premiere, we would need to fade in and fade out and lower the volume. Here's how you lower the volume. And then if I click this little horn here, I get my audio options. So I want to fade in, and it asks how long, how many seconds. So you choose, I'm going to fade in for 14 seconds, and I'm going to fade out for, 14. So you can make those decisions there. There are transitions here, so let me pull some more text or some more media in. So if I have another video here, in between those videos, I can have a transition. Works just like Premiere. So I'm going to pull in my transition, and you can see that it dropped the next video in. You can shorten that transition. It's very similar to Premiere. And you can see whenever I click on the transition, it asks how long do you want the transition, which transition is it, and you can even change them here. But I would like you to play around with this. And then here are our backgrounds. So some of the titles, like I said, you can see through that. So if I want to get rid of this light bulb title, but I want this behind, oops, let me get rid of this. If I want this background behind the title, then I can do that. Okay, so I would like you to play around with WeVideo, learn how to use the different features. There are so many more. I'm not concerned with you understanding how to cut things. You know, here's scissors. It's going to be a lot easier for you to use because you've used Premiere, and that's a professional program. When you are ready to finish and export this is how you'll do it. You'll click Finish in the upper right corner. Give your video a title. Click Set. Then this asks you, when you're exporting, do you want the video, audio only? So you would use audio only if you were maybe exporting music for a pep rally, for a mascot skit. We're doing video. Let's do HD so that it's higher quality. And then here's your thumbnail. What do you want displayed on the thumbnail when you upload it to YouTube? Here are our destinations. For the projects for me, most of the time when you're virtual, you will just save it in your Google Drive. So you would, this right here is the WeVideo icon. So you would click the Google Drive icon, mark it as public so that anybody with that link can view it. And then you would click Export. So once that is exported, you will need to go to your Google Drive and locate your WeVideo folder and send me the link to the video. And you would turn that in through Google Classroom. So this first week, you get to choose any topic and make a video using the WeVideo program. And just, I want you to have fun. Bye.